Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best inspection cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5, we have the Endoscope camera with light by Elrodineg. This budget-friendly option offers solid functionality for its price of just $20.70. Featuring a 0.3-inch diameter cable with an HD camera, it's perfect for basic inspections in tight spaces. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080p, you get decent image quality, especially considering its price point. The 8 adjustable LED lights ensure visibility even in complete darkness, and its IP68 waterproof rating means it can handle sewer inspections and other wet environments. Design-wise, the Elrodineg is lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver. The 6.56 feet semi-rigid cable is flexible, but still holds its shape, allowing you to access hard-to-reach areas effectively. While the build quality isn't premium, it's sufficient for light-duty jobs. The battery life is impressive for such a low-cost device thanks to its 2600 mAh capacity. The Elrodineg is ideal for homeowners looking to perform occasional inspections without breaking the bank. However, it lacks more advanced features like dual lens systems or articulating probes. Pros include affordability, waterproof design, and decent image quality. Cons? Limited focal range and fewer advanced features. Overall, it's a great entry-level option for simple tasks. At number 4, we've got the Kindthy Endoscope camera with light, priced at $24.79. It's another affordable choice, but it comes with added functionality, particularly its compatibility with both iOS and Android devices. With a resolution of 1920 by 1440p and a 7.9mm probe, this inspection camera offers sharp visuals for its price range. Its 16.4 feet semi-rigid cable provides excellent length for deeper inspections, and the IP67 waterproof rating means it can handle wet environments, like pipes and drains. The design is practical, with a durable cable that strikes a good balance between flexibility and rigidity. It's easy to set up, requiring just a quick app download to start viewing real-time images on your smartphone. The adjustable 8 LED lights ensure that even dark spaces are illuminated adequately. Accessories like a magnet, hook, and side mirror make it versatile for various tasks, from automotive maintenance to household inspections. While it's a step up from the Elrodineg, the Kindthy camera still lacks more advanced features like dual lens setups or articulating probes. Pros include smartphone compatibility, long cable length, and excellent waterproofing. Cons: limited viewing angles and reliance on an app for operation. It's a great choice for tech-savvy users looking for a budget-friendly inspection tool. Coming in at number 3 is the DXZTO's two-way articulating Borescope. Priced at $87.51, this inspection camera is a significant step up in terms of features and versatility. Its standout feature is the 210-degree two-way articulating probe, which makes navigating tight spaces and complex systems a breeze. With an 8.5mm snake camera and 2.0 MP resolution, it captures clear images and videos with an 8x zoom function and adjustable LED brightness. The 4.3-inch IPS monitor delivers true color visuals without requiring an app. This model is built for professionals and advanced users, boasting an IP67 waterproof rating and a robust 5.5 feet gooseneck cable that's malleable yet sturdy. Accessories like a hook, magnet tip, and side mirror enhance its usability for tasks like engine inspections, electrical diagnostics, and plumbing repairs. The rechargeable 3000 mAh battery provides up to 4 hours of continuous operation. Ideal for mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, the DXZTOS offers premium features at a mid-range price. Pros include the articulating probe, high-resolution display, and sturdy build quality. Cons: it's pricier than basic models and slightly bulkier. Overall, it's a reliable choice for complex inspections where maneuverability and precision are key. At number 2, we have the Depstec Dual Lens Industrial Endoscope, priced at $53.19. This model strikes a perfect balance between affordability and advanced features. The dual-lens technology is its standout feature, allowing you to switch between front and side cameras with ease. The 1080p resolution ensures crisp images and smooth video playback, while the 4.3-inch LCD screen provides a wide-angle view of up to 170 degrees. The adjustable 7 LED lights with BlueArt 2.0 tech offer excellent illumination in dark environments. Built for durability, the Diagnostics DS300 features a semi-rigid 16.5 feet cable that's both flexible and sturdy, allowing it to hold its shape during inspections. It's IP67 waterproof, making it suitable for wet environments like sewers and chimneys. The package includes helpful accessories like a hook and magnet, plus a 32GB memory card for storage. The 4-hour battery life ensures extended operation during complex tasks. The Diagnostics is ideal for homeowners and professionals alike, offering advanced imaging and robust design. Pros include dual lens functionality, excellent image quality, and a long cable for deeper inspections. Cons? It lacks articulating probes found in higher-end models. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable choice for a wide range of applications. Finally, at number 1, we have the Teslong two-way articulating borescope. This premium inspection camera is priced at $99.99 and offers top-notch features for professionals and advanced users. Its standout feature is the two-way articulating probe, which allows for effortless navigation through tight and complex spaces. With a 4.5-inch IPS LCD screen, you get vivid, high-resolution visuals that are easy to view in any lighting condition. The adjustable LED lights on the probe ensure you can inspect even the darkest corners. Built with ergonomics in mind, the Teslong is compact and lightweight, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The 5-foot semi-rigid gooseneck cable strikes a perfect balance between flexibility and stability, allowing precise control during inspections. The centrally located joystick and intuitive controls make operation seamless, whether you're capturing images or videos. With a durable design and a long-lasting lithium polymer battery, this borescope is built for demanding tasks. The Teslong is ideal for automotive maintenance, household inspections, and professional applications. Pros include its articulating probe, exceptional image quality, and ergonomic design. Cons? The higher price point may deter casual users. Overall, it's the best option for those seeking advanced features and superior performance in an inspection camera. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you had any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.